Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the frontside varial. The varial trick is one of the new tricks that they have added to the new season. It is sort of a twist of the finger flips where you are using your hand to, flip the board once you're in the air. So to do this trick, it's super easy. You just need to get used to the pop shove it motion. So just bring your right stick down and flick it up and around. Very easy. Now you'll find yourself a ramp or a ledge, give yourself some airtime, get some speed. Now hold left trigger and do that same motion. Left trigger, and there's your pop shove it motion. And there you have a frontside varial. Super easy, very cool little trick you can do. And that was all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what you'd like to see in the next video. See ya.